all wet over here on this side of the bridge today. We haven't broke our quarantine. We just heard it was flooding down here, so we thought we'd come take some pictures and stay in just our car and then go back to just our house. And the creek's pretty flooded. Been a while since I've seen it up that high. Let's go take us over to the other side. She's going to use the turn lane here to turn back around. Just move over one and wait. Not very many people on the road.
It's all flooded back there.
Yeah, the creek is pretty much up to the top of its banks, and it looks like it's actually been over its banks a few times. And they're talking about more rain coming through. You just watch there, and I watch the creek. The creek is pretty full today. All flooded back up in there. Been a while since I've seen it that flooded. A little bumpy right through here. More water. So how you doing today, Lisa? Doing well?
Yeah, fine.
I'm doing well as well. Like I said, we didn't break our quarantine. We didn't drive but about a mile from the house, and we're 14 days removed from the boat tomorrow. They say give it 14 days, and I think we're going to be just fine. As you can see, the schools are shut down.
That's school. Spring break.
Spring break, but you know, I don't know, maybe all this stuff will pass pretty soon. I know we're supposed to panic and all that, but I don't think it does anybody any good to panic. Wash your hands, keep your social distance, and love on one another. And don't be frightened of everything. And if you got somebody that's sick in your family, pray for them, and know that God's still in control. And I heard some news today that India had actually cured 10 people, so there might be hope here pretty soon anyway. Have a blessed day. Bye.